have 48 hours to start a dropshipping store, find a winning product, and hopefully make some profits. And if I fail, I'll give away my store to one of you guys. Let's just get started. So the first thing I did was obviously to look for the product. For this, I used my go-to methods, which is first just scrolling on my burner account on TikTok for hours. My goal is to find something that I can sell for the season, whether it is a New Year's related product or something for Valentine's Day, which is coming up kind of soon. So after a lot of scrolling, I actually gave up because I had been scrolling for hours. So I went on Instagram, and that's how I actually found my winning product.
So I was scrolling on my Instagram and I found these teddy bears. It's a plushie that mimics like a breathing, and it has like breathing sounds and like heartbeat. So it's very, very peaceful. This is kind of like a product made for children, like for babies to fall asleep. So what I'm gonna do now is just go on my laptop and start creating the store because I have no time to waste.
So I have been working on the website for hours and it's finally done. To import my product, I used AutoDS, which is a supplier and product import tool that I've been using for a long time now. So all I had to do was just go to AutoDS, copy the AliExpress link of the product I want to sell, then go to add products, click on single product, and then it gives you a lot of options for different suppliers. Like I said, I just used AliExpress. I entered the URL and clicked on edit now. This is just so I can edit the name so it doesn't have that big long AliExpress name that just looks very scammy. So I just decided to name my product Dream Plush. And everything else I just edited on the Shopify app. So then I just clicked save and import, and the product gets immediately imported to my Shopify, all of the pictures and the descriptions. So that made it super easy. That's why I really like using AutoDS, because it just makes it so quick and simple. So if you guys want to try AutoDS for yourself, I will leave the link in the description so you can get a 30-day free trial. So like I said, I edited my description on Shopify. For this, I always just ask ChatGPT to give me a description for my product. I don't have an imagination, so I just let AI do the thinking for me. Added some emojis and also some GIFs to showcase how the product works and how the teddy bear like breathes. I also decided to import some reviews. This is just so the customer trusts you a little bit more when buying your product, when they see other people have bought it as well. For this, I use an app called Vitals. And as for the domain, I decided to go with a .store domain. I decided to go with .store because it instantly tells the customer that this is an online store, an e-commerce store, and it will also make my website just look more professional and trustworthy, which I hope gives me kind of an advantage when it comes to running the ads. And in the long run, if I want to keep running this product, since I think it has a lot of potential, having a short .store domain helps the customer remember you and kind of establish you as a brand. So yes, all you have to do to get a .store domain is go to get.store. Here you can see on the website, it says that it gives you more traffic, lower cost per conversion, and doubles the visibility on search engines. So yes, I'm just trying to do everything I can to have some success with this product. And down here you can see all of this professional websites use a .store domain. So like I said, I decided to go with this because it just looks very professional. And I also decided to give you guys a discount. So if you want to try .store, you can get it for 99 cents the first year, which is so cheap, with the code KATESTORE. I will also leave that in the description for you guys. So this is how the store came up. The homepage is very simple. I mainly focus on making the product page really good because this is where people are gonna land once they see the ad. Very clear pictures of the product, how it looks, and the features. I also decided to add an offer, buy more, save more. And here is the description of the product like I showed you before. I decided to highlight again all the features and the value that it gives to the customer, so that it releases stress, gives you a restful night, has soothing sounds, and again the reviews at the bottom to make the store look more trustworthy. So now all I have to do is just get my video ads and start running the ads. So for the sake of the challenge, I will be ordering my video ads to make it as fast as possible. So what I'll do now is I'll go to Viral Ecom Ads. This is an agency that creates video ads for you. It will take 1 to 3 days for it to arrive, and once I have the videos, I will come back and get started with the ads.
One day later.
Okay, so it's actually the next day. I already got my video ads, which is amazing. I didn't have to wait anything at all, so I'm just gonna react to the video ads now. Okay, so this is my bad. I actually forgot to mention to them that I wanted the marketing angle to be towards like a loved one for Valentine's Day, or for someone to get rid of their anxiety, but for more older people, not for babies. But the video ads are actually really good. It shows how the product works, shows kids using it. So you know what? Maybe this can actually work really good too. You know, parents, they always want to give stuff to their children. So once again, I'm gonna hook you guys up with a discount. If you want to try viral ecom ads for yourself, you can use the code KATE15 for 15% off. And I will also leave the link in the description as always. So all I have to do right now is just to start running the ads. So I'm gonna go over my TikTok ads manager and quickly explain how I run my testing ad campaigns. So yes, I'm gonna create an ad campaign, go with a custom mode, website conversions, and I'm gonna go with a CBO campaign with a budget of $100. For the placements, I'm only gonna select TikTok, and I'm gonna turn off the video download so people don't steal my video ads. For the location, right now I have a European ad account, so I'm gonna go with UK since the ads are in English. For gender, I'll do all, and for ages 18 to 55 plus. The audience, I'll keep very, very broad since I'm just testing right now. For TikTok, I like to do my campaigns super broad. As for the schedule, I'm gonna start running my ads tomorrow at 6 a.m. So now I'm just gonna upload all my creatives. And now I'm just gonna submit.
One day later.
Okay guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday my camera died, so I couldn't show you how the ads ended up looking like. So pretty much what I did is just CBO campaign, $100 budget. I did 3 ads per ad group, and let's see the results so far of the campaign. I have to say it has flopped. It's not going well. It has been running for about 15 hours, and the total cost so far of the campaign is about $45. As for the CTR, it's awful. It's not good, which means that there's clearly a problem, probably with the video ads. I think the problem is that I went with a very basic approach since it's just like a very common baby product. So I actually decided to do a revision with viral ecom ads and tell them what my marketing approach was, and they actually delivered some different ads. So let's have a look.
Meet the breathing otter plush toy, your perfect companion for relaxation.
Yes, these ones are much better because here you can see an older person using it kind of like as a relaxation tool, pet? No. So yes, these ones are much better. You can see older people using it. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna run the same campaign but with this new ads and see if there's a difference, or maybe my product just sucks. We'll see.
One day later.
Okay guys, it's the next day. It's been 10 hours of the ads running, so it's time to see the results. All I can say is that I'm the best. This went really well and I'm actually very impressed. So let's just go to the ads manager. A CBO of $100, literally the exact same thing. The total cost of our campaign has been around $71 so far. It has not spent the total budget. Our CTR is a bit low, but it's okay. We had a total of 5 conversions, which is amazing. So if we go to my dashboard, here we are. Let's do a little refresh just because. So yes, in total we made $347 in sales with a total of 5 orders. The conversion rate is almost 5%, which is a great number. And yeah, overall, I'm pretty satisfied with these results, like I said. So if we calculate everything, the total ad cost for both of our campaigns, the flop campaign and the campaign that I ran now, was $127. The cost of goods for the 5 products that we sold was $115. The cost for the ads that I ordered from Viral Ecom Ads was $42.5 because I used my discount code. We had $347 in sales, which leaves us with a profit of $63. Overall, I think this is a success. For this being a 48-hour challenge, I think it went really, really well. I'm very satisfied with this results. So I will definitely keep the store going, and if you want to see more updates, you can also follow my Instagram, where I'm always sharing stuff about e-com and the stores I'm running. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it and subscribe to see more e-com content from me.